So in this video, I'm going to be going over how we have combined Prospeo, which is our favorite data provider for verified emails, and Claude to build an intelligent system that goes over the top of Prospeo. And essentially what it means is we can build lists in literally a matter of seconds. Claude builds the filters based on your ICP. It will give you an estimation on credits first. It will tell you exactly how big the list will be in terms of total contacts and verified emails. So you have that first before you go ahead and use your credits and scrape it. It will, makes it very easy to iterate on the lists as well, and it will dump the CSV once it's scraped straight back into Claude. So you don't even need to go on to Prospeo or any data provider for that matter. Claude is the layer over the top. That's all we interact with. You simply speak to it and it will build a perfect verified lead list, just like this one, in literally a matter of a minute or two. And this is something we use for ourselves. If you don't know me, my name is James. I am one of the co-founders of Lighthouse. We're a B2B lead generation agency. We do a lot of cold outbound and cold email for service companies, and we generate over 300 leads a month for our clients. So yeah, this is an example lead list. As you can see, perfect emails. I'm going to show you now how we set this up and then how to use it. So this is our sort of setup document that I put together. I'm going to leave the link. I'll make this live. I'll leave a link for this document in the description of this video below, so you all have access to it. Everything is open source, so this is a skill that we've built and set up with Prospeo, and it's super easy to set up. You only have to do it one time, and then you can use it forever. All you need is a Prospeo account, Claude Code installed, and Node.js installed as well. And yeah, like I said, in terms of the benefits of it, you can map your TAM instantly. So if you've ever been curious about, okay, well, how big is this list actually going to be in terms of real verified emails, but you don't want to spend the money to actually run the list and run the scrape, this can do it in seconds for free. It's not using any credits to do that. You can just speak to it in plain English. So obviously no technical skill required, but also it's just speed as well. It's going to save you a ton of time not having to mess around with filters. Claude can use its intelligence to actually make decisions around which filters will be best. You can look at what it brings back. You can make some tweaks and iterations. And also, Prospeo has a limit of 25,000 contacts per list. If your search is bigger than that, Claude will actually break it up, maybe by state or by job title or whatever it is, into smaller lists below the 25k limit, and then stitch them back up together. So when it gives you the CSV is for the whole list in one. Does that automatically, saves you a ton of time. Honestly, 10 times less time spent on list building with this. So it is very useful and worth setting up. So here's the setup process. Again, like I said, I'll link this below. I don't need to go through it exactly now, but as you can see, every step is on here. We've got our open source GitHub for you to get all the parts from, and then you just follow the steps. Super easy. This takes less than 20 minutes. And then when you how to use it, you literally just want to use the list build skill on Claude Code. You just speak to it, say that's what you want to use. You can give it your ICP, so type of businesses you want to target, size, job titles, location. Tell it you want a quote for the verified emails and also the total contacts. It will give you both before executing. Can make some iterations, give it some feedback. Once you're happy with the list, you just tell it back for you. So yeah, it is very powerful and worth setting up. I'm now going to show you exactly how to use it in Claude. So now that we know the benefits and why it's worth setting up, we can now actually walk through a real example, and you can see how easy it is. So we're on Claude Code, which is on a new tab. I'm just going to speak to it and set my ICP. Hi Claude, I want to use the list build skill to create a lead list. Specifically, we're targeting marketing agencies based in the US, between 8 and 30 employees, and specifically we're targeting the owners and the CEOs and the founders of those agencies. I want you to use the advertising services and marketing services industry filters and build this list. And what I want you to do as well is give me an accurate number for the total number of contacts and then the number of verified emails on this list before executing and pulling the list itself. So we just enter that. And so what it should do, it may ask a few clarifying questions first, but what it should do is give us a really accurate number for the total number of contacts and then the number of verified emails as well. And so what this allows you to do is get a really accurate TAM map in just a minute or two for no cost, because it doesn't cost any money to run that. And then you can obviously make some tweaks to your list, finalize it, and then when you're ready, you can pull the trigger, have it pull it, and obviously then you'll spend the credits. But yeah, it can be really powerful. And also, you may want to, in some cases, pull the total number of contacts because the ones that don't have emails in Prospio, you can go and enrich them with other email tools. Okay, and it's come back with our numbers. So as you can see here, we're looking at 14,616 total contacts, of which about 58% of them are verified emails. And then you can just, it gives you the percentage as well. And you can just tell it then, pull just the verified emails for me, or pull the total list for me if you want that one as well. And it will actually run that via the Prospio API. It will pull that list for you, and it will even drop the finished CSV in your Claude tab. And that's literally as easy as it is. And you can speak to it if you want to make iterations, tweak the list somewhat, you can ask it questions. It's essentially having an intelligent interactive layer over the top of a data provider like Prospio, and this can cut down your time significantly. And you can even route these leads straight to your email sending tool as well. So to Instantly or to Emailbison, you can do that too. So yeah, if you want to set up this system and build lists like this in the space of 30 seconds or so, then I'll make the page live and I'll link it below in the description. You will find the full setup process on there, no more than 20 minutes to set up, as well as the links to our public GitHub repo where you can download everything you need. So yeah, highly recommend setting this up. It's super useful, and if this was useful for you, please follow along. We're doing a lot more content on the utilization of Claude in go-to-market and outbound, something we're spending a lot of time and money investing in at the minute, and it is really changing our business.